the award from our chief guest, Speaker Garu, and other dignitaries on the dais. Next, Dr. Vidya Kumar, GVK, is a young and dynamic doctor and enterpriser. He is a director and vice dean. Global Icon Award, he got G20 Summit Sri Lanka, Young Entrepreneur Award in Dubai, Business Excellence Award in New Delhi, and various awards in Telugu states. Since 2.5 years, he is doing great service to the people who are in need. From 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., he will do free service. And when he supports his service, he is funded entirely from his own pocket. He is inspired by. Next, I would like to invite